There have been so many good evenings today, and I will add one more good evening in this. Good evening, all of you. I will make a formal welcome today on behalf of IKEDA. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much for being so wonderful. Thank you for being so much commendable every time. You know, it feels just like yesterday we started. We started our careers, we started our jobs, we were just young executives running in the market with the dreams, with a goal. And as the time passed, we met some wonderful people. Manish ji, he was always there. And as we grow, the goals, the aims, the dreams, they grew with us. Today we are here, standing in front of you, addressing you people. Once we were there, sitting and listening to the addresses. This is wonderful. Being part of IKEDA has always given me much strength and motivation, and I feel independent also. The learnings, the knowledge I had, which I used, which you all using, we are learning every day. And that learning is taking us higher and higher every day. Firstly, I would like to thank Manish ji that he put his faith in us, the trust he has given us, so that we can turn this dream into a reality. Manish, Rajesh and Puran, always, they have been there always. Been stronger and stronger every day since 2014. Thank you so much for being there. In these times we have learned so many things ना. Pandemic भी आ गया, बहुत दिक्कत भी हुई, jobs भी गई, jobs लगी भी, business भी down हुआ, बहुत सारी समस्याएं भी आई, पोर्टल को लेके भी आई, काफ़ी चीज़ें हुई, पर ना हम लोग रुके नहीं, we didn't stop. This is what makes us a team. This is the reason why we are together. This make our bond stronger every day. I would thank all the brilliant minds sitting here who never gave up on this organization. They never said that. Even the pandemic didn't stop them. They were just ravishing in the market like the bulls. And yes, this is the reason we are here. This is the reason we are standing here and we are doing this first event for the IKEDA. All the hard work, efforts this team has done, even in the worst condition, this is commendable. Highly appreciable, and I will applaud for this. The contribution you have given, this is just wonderful. People just sat back in sometimes, even with them sitting at homes, doing sales, looking for the customers, rigorously working day in and day out just to raise high. This is just the beginning. We have to go a long way. We just started. But I'm assured with this pace, what we are going with, we are going to create new benchmark for us. And we will be breaking those benchmarks by doing hard work again and again and reaching those new goals. This is something better, you know, when a team that works together always grows together. And I hope this team will grow together and they will stay together. At last, I would say some fine words said by a gentleman. Success is the sum of all the efforts repeated day in and day out. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much and enjoy your evening.